I'm Chris from Bailey Trailers, and we're going to run through the checks and daily maintenance of a Bailey trailer. To start with, we're going to check all the grease points on the trailer. Starting at the front, we've got 2 grease nipples on the sprung drawbar. Moving a little bit further back, there's 1 grease point at the rear of the sprung drawbar and 1 grease point on the handbrake. So moving to the rams. Again, there's a grease nipple at the bottom of the ram. And also there'll be a grease nipple at the top of the ram. We've got the camshaft grease nipple here and the slack adjuster grease nipple here. And the grease nipple on the back of the brake drum. So then moving to the back of the trailer, we have a grease nipple here, here, and 1 up here. And finally, there's 1 at the rear on the tipping pin. The next check is, we're going to check the ring hitch for any wear. Moving up from the ring hitch, we're going to check the hydraulic pipes and the pipe cover here for any wear or tears. So we're going to check the tyres now. We're going to check the tyres for any wear, any cuts. We're going to check the tyre pressures and we're going to check the wheel nuts. Now we'll look at checking the brakes for any wear. By moving this cover here, we can see how much the brakes have worn. We're looking for 40mm of brake travel through the brake ram, and we can adjust that here using the slack adjuster. So the final checks are we're checking all the lights working and all the reflective tape and reflectors are all on the trailer. We do fit a body prop in line with health and safety regulations, even though you can do all your daily checks and maintenance with the body in the down position. For more information, contact your local Bailey dealer. Thanks for watching.